Good day, everyone. You are welcome to the Don's Consult, where we make chemistry very simple. Now we know we are preparing for WAEC, JAMB, and other exams. So I'll be bringing you questions and giving you solutions for them. I saw this, looks very simple, but very trickish. So I want to solve it with you, or will I say for you, so that you can have a proper understanding of it. It has to do with bonding. The question goes thus. Say the compound formed by two elements X and Y with the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 and 1s2, 2s2, 3, 2p6 and 3s2 respectively is dash. That means the electronic configuration for X. If you want to solve this, you can break it down. I will show you the tricky part of it. You think something you can jump into? The electronic configuration for S is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, and the one for Y is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2. Alright, so if I want to take it to shells level, so this will be 2, the second shell will be 6. Do you agree with me? Okay. Alright, so this will be, this first shell here will be 2, the second shell will be 8, and the third shell will be 2. So that means if they are to ionize, this one will need -2 electrons. This one will ionize, this one will be -2. I will explain. And this one will be +2. What does that mean? That means to attain the octet rule, this one needs 2 electrons, and you know whoever is receiving will have minus, so it needs 2 electrons for it to have octet rule. And for this one to be stable, these 2 electrons need to be donated, and whoever that gives electron will have what? +2. All right, now look at the options. We have option A, X and Y, option B, YX, option C, X2, Y3, option D, Y2S3. So that means if I want to use valency level to obtain this, that will be X. The valency of X will remove the minus or plus, it will be 2. Valency of Y will be also what? 2. Is that right? And we know when the valencies are the same, they will cancel each other. So you cannot have something like this. You cannot have something like this when they exchange. You cannot have something like this because they are the same. When they are the same, they will become XY, something like that. But now we have XY. You cannot jump to say XY is correct. XY is not correct. Why? Why is it not correct? Why XY is not correct? You need to understand. Mind you, it is the non-metals that bond to metals. So you have to identify from here which one is metal, which one is not non-metal. Alright, now we know that metals donate electrons, which is Y. Alright, because it's donating electron with the +2, and -2 shows that X is a non-metal. So non-metals bond to what? To metals. So the correct answer will be YX. That will be the correct answer. YX, not X2. Because from the what we have solved, you know that this one is not, D is not correct, C is not correct. So you'll be thinking either A or B. But if you use this method, because your X is coming first, you may jump to thinking that the correct answer is XY. But if you get the rules of having metals and non-metals and how they bond, you will see that the correct answer is B, which is YX. That's what we do here in the Don's Consult. If you have not subscribed, please do. If you have a friend that needs to have this, please, okay, tell the friend about this channel. We'll bring you more videos making chemistry very real, interesting, and something that you can pass in distinctions. Thank you. See you in the next video.